Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by endless shoe options when all you want is the perfect pair to start your running journey? You're not alone. Choosing the right running shoes as a beginner can make or break your experience and your comfort. Welcome to Top Home Finds. In today's video, we're revealing the 5 best running shoes for beginners you'll wish you knew sooner. Affordable, reliable, and designed to keep you moving with confidence. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below to support us and share your thoughts. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable content every week. Now let's get started and find the perfect pair for you. First up is the ASICS Novablast 5. Here are some advantages for the ASICS Novablast 5. Next level cushioning. Powered by Blast Max foam for ultra-soft landings and an energetic, springy toe-off. Lightweight and responsive. Delivers plush comfort without extra bulk, making every run feel effortless and fun. Breathable and eco-friendly. Engineered jacquard mesh upper with 75% recycled materials for comfort and sustainability. Versatile daily trainer. Perfect for easy runs, long distances, and all-day wear with exceptional durability and stability. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Brooks Ghost 16. Here are some advantages for the Brooks Ghost 16. Ultra-soft cushioning. Features nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 for a plush, lightweight, and responsive ride. Smooth and stable stride. Segmented crash pad and glide roll rocker ensure effortless heel-to-toe transitions. Breathable and secure fit. Engineered air mesh upper provides comfort, ventilation, and a snug fit for all-day runs. Eco-friendly and durable. Certified carbon-neutral product with recycled materials and a long-lasting outsole for sustainable performance. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Hoka Mach 6. Here are some advantages for the Hoka Mach 6. Feather-light speed. Weighs in around 7.7 ounces, making it perfect for fast training runs and tempo workouts. Responsive cushioning. Features ProFly Plus supercritical EVA foam for a snappy, energetic ride with excellent shock absorption. Breathable and secure fit. Redesigned jacquard mesh upper with anatomical tongue ensures comfort, ventilation, and lockdown. Durable traction. Upgraded outsole with strategic rubber reinforcements for better grip and long-lasting performance. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24. Here are some advantages for the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 24. Advanced cushioning. Features nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 for a softer, lighter, and more responsive ride. Holistic stability support. Guide rails technology keeps excess movement in check, ensuring smooth and safe strides. Breathable and comfortable fit. Updated engineered mesh upper with padded collar and tongue for all-day comfort. Durable and versatile. Built for daily training with long-lasting outsole rubber and reliable performance over 400 to 600 miles. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the Adidas Supernova Rise 2. Here are some advantages for the Adidas Supernova Rise 2. Dream Strike Plus cushioning. Advanced PEBA foam delivers a perfect balance of comfort, responsiveness, and energy return for smooth daily runs. Support rods for stability. Integrated midsole rods ensure guided transitions and a stable ride without adding stiffness. Breathable and lightweight upper. Redesigned engineered mesh offers superior airflow, a secure fit, and 4% less weight than its predecessor. Comfort heel fit and wide toe box. Plush heel padding and spacious forefoot provide all-day comfort, ideal for beginners and long-distance runners. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Thank you so much for watching our video on the 5 best running shoes for beginners you'll wish you knew sooner. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like, subscribe to Top Home Finds, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. We wish you the very best on your running journey. May every step bring you closer to your goals. Stay safe, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.